This isn't just a motorhome, it's a glimpse into the future of luxury travel. Sleek, towering, and designed like a futuristic villa on wheels, this three-story masterpiece blends cutting-edge design, technology, and elegance in ways never seen before. From the outside, it looks more like a rolling palace than a vehicle. Its silver and off-white body curves with sculpted precision, outlined by glowing golden LED strips that trace every edge. Towering glass panels reveal illuminated interiors, making it feel less like transportation and more like a futuristic skyscraper gliding down the open highway. Step into the cockpit, and it's like entering the command bridge of a spaceship. The panoramic windshield sweeps from side to side, delivering a breathtaking 180-degree view of the world ahead. Across the dashboard, holographic displays project navigation and controls directly onto the glass, while the driver's chair and co-pilot seats, upholstered in off-white leather with golden stitching, sit like thrones in a cinematic command hub. The bedroom suite is your private sanctuary on wheels. A queen-sized bed glows softly with golden underlighting, framed by brushed silver panels and smooth off-white walls. Built-in wardrobes, floating nightstands, and panoramic windows make the room feel intimate yet luxurious, perfectly balanced between comfort and futuristic design. The kitchen is sleek, compact, and highly efficient. Off-white cabinetry with silver trims hides appliances like the induction cooktop, refrigerator, and oven, while a polished lightstone counter glows with golden LED edge lighting. Smooth curves echo the motorhome's exterior style, and panoramic windows flood the space with natural light. Every meal feels elevated in a kitchen this refined. The washroom takes everyday function and turns it into elegance. A rainfall shower glows with warm golden lighting inside a glass cabin, while a floating vanity with an illuminated mirror and chrome fixtures completes the spa-like experience. Compact but premium, it's designed to fit perfectly inside the motorhome without sacrificing style. Next, the lounge area serves as the social heart of this moving mansion. Cream leather sofas curve around a glowing marble centerpiece, while golden LED strips run along the ceiling and windows, casting a warm glow throughout the room. Panoramic glass turns the lounge into a cinematic viewing gallery, whether it's a sunrise over the mountains or city lights at night. For those who value wellness, the gym is small but futuristic. A treadmill, smart bike, and compact weight system sit in a sleek space accented by glowing golden lines along the floor and mirrored walls to expand the feel of the room. It's a personal training deck that fits seamlessly into the motorhome's luxury aesthetic. And then, the true showstopper, the indoor pool. Imagine a glowing infinity pool lined with cream stone and sapphire LED highlights, all beneath a starlight ceiling that creates the illusion of swimming under the night sky. Around it, off-white loungers with golden trim complete the atmosphere of a private spa retreat, all inside a motorhome. Altogether, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a new vision of travel. A three-story futuristic mansion on wheels that combines the freedom of the road with the comfort of luxury living. So the question is, would you live in a motorhome like this, complete with a bedroom suite, spa bathroom, lounge, gym, and even an indoor pool? Or is this a dream reserved only for the world's wealthiest travelers? Let me know in the comments, and if this vision of the future left you inspired, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next design takes motorhome luxury even further.